In today's tutorial, I'm going to explain why you should use two screens for a white base and a white top print. Coming up. Hey, welcome back everybody. If you're new to the channel, be sure to subscribe, hit the bell icons, that way you get notifications next time we upload our next video. So you'll have to bear with me a little bit on this video. This is actually a tutorial that I was creating 2 years ago. And the tutorial that I did record is still valid to this day. And what it's about is using an underbase screen and a top screen. Really and truly, you kind of use this method when you are doing a 3-color print. Looks like 2 colors, but on a color shirt, you're going to use a white underbase, your color print, and then your white. You can print your white underbase, flash it, and then do your color and your white top wet on wet, and it speeds things up. Have you ever found yourself printing a shirt, printing, flashing, printing and flashing that white again, and the white happens to stick to your screen? It sticks to the bottom. The reason is because that white base is starting to build up so thick, and when you go to print on top of that thick film that is your underbase that you're also trying to print as your white, it's thick, it has a harder time flashing, and when you go to print your color on top of that, it sticks to the bottom of the screen. So this is a solution to help keep that from happening. Matt with Mikey Designs here, and I just want to show you this little project that I'm working on. And the reason I want to show you, it looks pretty simple. This is an in-house design. But what I wanted to show you guys is how bright this white is, and the fact that I'm using a white underbase. So we got 3 screens to do this. We got a white underbase, and then we've got a red for our little kind of cross out there, or whatever you want to call it, and then a white highlight screen. And these are all 200, 230 mesh screens. I believe these are all 200. I used to go about doing something like this with just printing a underbase twice and probably something like a 110. I've switched here in the past few months to doing things this way. The reason for that is because you don't build up as thick of a layer of ink, and you still have a really bright white. As you can see here, I mean, it's pretty bright. And some other problems that using a 110 and print, flash, printing, and then doing your color on top of all that is it can lead to the color eventually washing out. It's harder to be consistent with your cures as far as making sure the ink has completely cured all the way through. And this also saves a little bit of money on the screen printers because you're not caking on a bunch of ink, and it gives it a little bit softer of a feel. So anyways, I just want to share that little tip with you. This is a 2-color job, but technically it's a 3, and I would recommend doing it that way to prevent any problems with it washing out or anything along those lines. Thanks for tuning in, guys. I really do appreciate it. Be sure to subscribe, give this video a like, leave a comment, share our content so that way you can help us grow this channel so we can provide more useful tutorials such as this one. Also, don't forget that we are an official rep for Catspit Productions, so use our promo code Mikey Designs. You'll get $5 off your screen printing supplies and equipment purchase. And until next time, guys, we'll see you later.